Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these fun brass paddle and hoop earrings. So we're going to start at the bottom, and we're going to want to attach all of this at the bottom. So we're going to start with our wire. This is a 22 gauge stainless steel wire, and we're going to make a loop. So we're going to take it on the pliers and bend it away from us to create a 90-degree angle. Then we're going to go in at the top and we're going to loop it around and make a little loop. And we're going to open that up and we're going to want to attach the paddle and the hoops. Make sure that all of them are correct on either side with the right number, because once they're on there, they're going to be set. So then we're going to take our pliers and go in at the loop, and we're going to take that extra wire and coil it around. Then we're going to take our cutters and cut off that extra little bit of wire. And now we have this. Then we're going to put our bead on, and we're going to do the same little loop at the top. We're going to hold the pliers as close to the bead as we can, bend that wire to create a 90-degree angle, and we're going to put our pliers in that angle and loop the wire around, and then we're going to hold it in the loop and coil the wire around. And then I'm going to snip off the extra wire. And then we're going to attach the ear wire. It has a loop at the bottom. We're just going to take our pliers and open that up. Attach our loop. Close it back up. And your earrings are done. All the supplies for these can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.